Welcome to the standard room that is for 4 people. You can eat, you can prepare here the food, and Mark will sleep on the sofa bed. We are on the way again, and this time we are going to Puigcerdà. It is close to France border, and we are going to a tournament, a basketball tournament of our child Damian. And we are now in traffic jam, and I decided why not to start recording this video. We plan to have several videos. One of the video will be about the hotel that we are staying in. It will be about Guitart Aparthotel La Molina. Why it is Aparthotel? It means that it is a hotel with a reception 24 hours, but instead of simple rooms, they have apartments. And these apartments include a kitchen. Some of the apartments are standard for 2, 3, up to 4 people. Other apartments with the occupancy up to 8 people are duplexes. That means that are 2 floors instead of 1 floor. We will be staying in a standard apartment because we will be staying only 2 adults and only Mark, because Damian will be staying at another hotel with his teammates that will play at the tournament.
¿Dónde es? Goteo.
Un poco más abajo.
¿Qué?
Es un poco más abajo.
Guitart Aparthotel La Molina. La Molina is 20 kilometers away from Puigcerdà. We have chosen this hotel mainly because it was a higher quality, and for the price it was better than going in Puigcerdà. This is a 4-star property. It is located straight on the ski slopes, and it is one of the best sellers during the winter time, obviously because you have the best views over there, best slopes, and you can get really fast to the mountain and to get skiing really good over there. We decided to have a stopover here in the mountains and to breathe some fresh air because the way is longer than we expected. It is usually 2.5 hours, but as we had a traffic jam, we had stayed a little bit longer. So now we are breathing some fresh air in these mountains, and it is less than half an hour till the hotel, to get to the hotel. And what is amazing about this place is that we have a river over here. We are breathing some fresh air from the mountains.
Estamos en la Molina ahora.
Mira, aquí está el hotel.
Vale, ahora...
¿Cuál es la nuestra?
Bueno, es aquí,
Ahora
¿no?
has llegado a tu destino.
Puerta abierta, por favor. Cierra después detrás.
¿Pero cómo va?
Claro que nosotros venimos.
Ah, sí, ya. Yo primero.
Welcome to the standard room that is for 4 people, and here you have a living room, and this sofa cama has this sofa bed is transforming into 2 beds that you can get here with kids, and we have plenty of space where you can eat, you can enjoy your time at the TV as well. We have spectacular views to the mountains. We have very huge windows over here, and the sunset now is priceless. We have really lovely views over here. The living room comes with the kitchen and with a table where you can eat. You can prepare here the food. You have a small kitchenette and a microwave, and as well you have here a fridge. We have some food. We brought some food with us, and as well plenty of space to uh, have your food if you needed some snacks or any other things that you want to bring with you. Now I invite you to come to the bedroom. In the bedroom we have a twin bed, and here I think that we will sleep Dumitru and I, and Mark will sleep on the sofa bed. So as we see, the room is pretty huge and we have a plenty of space. Mark says that he won't be sleeping on the sofa, so we will see. As well, we have a window, but it is smaller than in the living room. And of course, we have a plenty of space. We have a huge closet where we have a plenty of space to leave our things. Very comfortable for winter time to come with uh, for the ski, or even in summertime to come for several days and enjoy some mountain weather. What we can see, we have as well a safe box where you can leave your passports or your documents while you are going skiing, or if you want to go outside to enjoy the weather and not to be afraid of leaving your things over here. And I invite you as well to see the beauty of the mountains and the beauty that we have from our rooms. And let's go to see the bathroom. The bathroom has a shower. The bathroom has a shower bath, and we have all the amenities that you can have. We have the towels, and we have some amenities like shampoo, like gels, and as well you have here a hair dryer, and here we have the shower bath. Mark, do you enjoy your stay at this hotel? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now I'm warming up a lasagna. So you have here a microwave on the kitchen. You can also prepare food, and what I have found, you have everything needed to prepare some salad. You can have everything for cooking some food over here. Even if you want, you can have some pasta. So everything is well equipped. The kitchen is well equipped, and you have everything you need for few days stay. Que os voy a grabar. Good morning from our room in La Molina. Yesterday, when I was sharing the room and the apartment itself, the room was with very low light, And I thought that these apartments don't have sufficient light, daylight during the day, but today in the morning, when we opened our windows, we saw how much light we have and how beautiful it is. So the side of the room that we have, it is for the sunrise, and we have just spectacular views of the sun. Now I will be sharing the views from our window in the morning. It's slightly different than we were sharing yesterday.
Vamos por la derecha, ¿vale? Me encanta las nubes, ¿eh? Mira ahí.
Sí, son reales. Oye, papá, tus chaquetas pesan mucho.
Sí, son cambiados.
No. Vale.
¿Vale?
Está mal. Hola, buenos días.
Hola, Pepsi-Cola.
Tengo 8 años y no sé por qué.
No sé por qué.
Ah, porque soy alto. Algunos me dicen que tengo 10 años.